Eye of Horus. The Eye of Horus, also known as the Wadjet or Udjat, is one of the most powerful and enduring symbols of ancient Egypt, representing protection, healing, and restoration. 1. Mythological Origin. The symbol is rooted in the epic conflict between the sky god Horus and his uncle Set, the god of chaos. The battle. To avenge the murder of his father, Osiris, Horus fought Set for the throne of Egypt. The injury. During their struggle, Set tore out Horus's left eye and broke it into 6 pieces. Restoration. The god of wisdom, Thoth, gathered the fragments and magically healed them to make the eye whole, Wadjet. Horus then offered the eye to his deceased father, Osiris, to sustain him in the afterlife. 2. Symbolic and mathematical meanings. The eye's unique shape, a stylized human eye with a falcon's cheek markings and a teardrop, is more than artistic. It is a repository of ancient knowledge. Mathematical fractions. Ancient Egyptians used the 6 parts of the eye to represent a series of fractions used for measuring ingredients like grain and medicine. Right side, 1/2, smell, pupil, 1/4, sight, eyebrow, 1/8, thought, left side, 1/16, hearing, curved tail, 1/32, taste, teardrop, 1/64, touch. Total. These add up to 63/64. The missing 1/64 is believed to represent the divine magic of Thoth, or the idea that nothing is truly perfect. Lunar connection. Because it was healed and restored, the eye is associated with the moon and its cyclical phases of waxing and waning. 3. Eye of Horus versus Eye of Ra. While often confused, they represent different energies within Egyptian spirituality. Feature Eye of Horus, left eye. Eye of Ra, right eye. Primary meaning, healing, restoration, and defense. Power, fury, and divine authority. Celestial link, the moon, the sun. Nature, passive/guardian, mends from within. Aggressive/force, burns outward to punish enemies. Visual cue stylized with falcon markings, often paired with a sun disk or a cobra, Urias. 4. Modern context. Today, the symbol remains a popular talisman of protection in jewelry, tattoos, and pop culture. Some modern theories even suggest a neuroanatomical connection, claiming the eye's design mirrors the mid-sagittal section of the human brain, particularly the thalamus and pineal gland.